Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Kind Healthy Grains dark chocolate peanut butter. It is gluten free. Check that out, non-GMO. This is the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. It does have cacao in there. It does have some sugar, so be aware of that. Let's open this up. These are like basically square granola bars. See, that's what it looks like. There we go. Let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can smell the aroma of chocolate. It's not bad. It tastes like a Reese peanut butter cup in a granola bar form. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.